In this video, let's see how to create a pipeline project manually in the Source to Pay workspace. Navigate to Workspace. From the drop-down menu, select Source to Pay workspace. In the List menu, navigate to All Work and select Pipeline Projects. Click New to create a new pipeline project. In the form, select a project type from the drop-down list. Enter a short description. In the Project Summary section, click the Spend category icon to select a spend category. Select an estimated start date. Select an estimated end date. In the Financials section, enter the amount in the estimated spend. Enter the amount in the targeted savings. Select Save to create a new pipeline project. The new pipeline project is successfully created in the planned state.